Hey guys, Andrew Fiery here with MarineMax Baltimore, checking out this 2020 Scout 255 LXF. Starting back here on the transom, we're going to have twin Yamaha 150s. It'll get this boat out of the water and really get it up on plane and really scoot across those wakes. Coming through on the starboard side, you're going to have a transom door along with flip out transom seating for any seating that you'd like to do back here in the back of the boat. Notice on the back of your leaning post, you do have tackle storage here for anything, whether you're storing your fishing rods here, you're grabbing them to, throw some lines in the water. It's a great spot to be able to access that. Coming to the business end of the helm, you're gonna notice you have Yamaha digital shifting throttles. You're gonna have an Edson steering wheel and a Garmin 10-inch screen that'll house all of your gauges, charts, everything you need to be able to run the boat. Notice the push button switches here and up here on the hard top. Be able to have redundancy along with easy access to be able to control everything you need. Coming up along the port side here, we're going to have a head underneath along with a Fusion stereo head unit and all of your batteries and battery switches along with your in-house battery charger. Moving up to the bow of the boat, you're going to have a couple different seating areas up here. You're going to have a seat here in front of the helm to be able to sit, along with a cooler underneath, along with two loungers on the port and starboard side to be able to kick your feet up and relax. Notice if you are relaxing, you do have a flip out table to place your drinks while you're up and running or just sitting at the dock. All the LXF series come with a standard windlass on this boat. You can control it up here in the bow or at the helm. So all that switching I talked about earlier, that's where you can control that. This is our Scout 2020 255 LXF. Come on by, stop in, check our Instagram page out. We'd love to get you out in the water.